Okay, alright guys, so welcome to our 9 PHP tutorial. In this tutorial we're gonna see something which are called loops, okay? Among the awesome loops we're gonna see something which is called a for loop. So one of the fancy things about doing a programming is that you don't have to do things over and over again because human beings get tedious and tired, so that they will make a computer to do their works for them, okay? For instance, think of a scenario that you want to display numbers from 0 up to 50. Okay, it is tedious, right? Typing 1 2 3 up to 15 is a tedious job. Even think of a scenario where numbers get bigger, so that this for loop came to an action, or these general loops will come to an action. Okay, so to do loops in a PHP programming language, you need a keyword which is called for, which is enclosed under closed and open and closed parentheses. Okay, then you're gonna have some body here. Okay, these parentheses are gonna consist of 3 parts. The first part is called an initialization, or a place where you're gonna start the loop. The second part is called a condition, and lastly there is something which is called an increment. For instance, think of a scenario that I want to display a number from 0 up to 15. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to initialize. For instance, let me make a variable and let me initialize this number to be 0. Okay, because I want a number 0 up to 50. Okay, this gonna initialize, or is gonna start from 0 and gonna go way over up to 15 till it reaches 49. That's what the program that I want to do. Okay, so the next part is called a condition. Okay, what will be the condition where you want to stop this loop? It's like that. Okay, so I want to stop this loop in a condition, or I want to keep continue until this number is less than 15, or it means until it reaches 49. Okay, until it reaches 49, I want to keep going, increment this number. Okay, I want to repeat this part. And lastly, there is something which is called an increment. Okay, this 2 plus sign stands for incrementing the value of a given variables by 1. Okay, initially it was 0. Then it's going to check the condition. It will check that is 0 less than 15. Yes, it is true. Then it's going to increment this value by 1, so the new value is going to be 1 here. It's going to go again up to it reaches 49. Okay, when it reaches 49, it is less than 15, it will proceed, but when it is incremented, 50 is not less than 15, so this loop will terminate. So up to that, I want to echo the number, okay, here. Okay, before that, let me tell you something which is called a concatenation. Okay, concatenation stands for mixing or merging something up. Okay, whenever I want to display this number, I want to make a new line. Okay, so to make a new line in HTML, you probably know there is a tag which is a single tag which is called a BR that's gonna make a new line here. So to concatenate that part, or that break line here, I'm gonna use a dot operator. Okay, this dot is a concatenated operator in a PHP. So I'm gonna use BR here, which stands for a break line here. Okay, so let me save this thing up. Let me go to my browser and see what I have so far. I don't want to make it. Just go to localhost, and my file name is tensei.php, and let me press enter. So it's gonna display the numbers 1 up to 49. Okay, so that is one of the fancy thing about a for loop. On the next tutorial, we're gonna go much further, and we're gonna see different types of loops in a PHP programming language, and lastly we're gonna create a simple program using this iteration loop. Thank you guys for watching. Keep on subscribing my channel. I will upload a lot of videos here. Keep on give me a feed on the description below. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next tutorial.